Importing Microsoft Excel data into Office Timeline Online helps you quickly go from spreadsheet data to beautiful timeline slides. However, you first need to set up your Excel data for importing. So let's start with that. For a successful import, you'll need to have milestone or task titles, start dates, and end dates. Rows that have both a start and an end date will become tasks, while those with only one date filled in will become milestones. You can also add optional columns for swim lanes, percentage complete, and notes. But maybe the most important optional one you can add is the row ID column. The row ID is a unique identifier for each of your tasks and milestones, which enables the refresh functionality for your import. This means that whenever you update or change the data in your Excel sheet, you'll also be able to update any timeline you made through the Excel import feature from that sheet by clicking the refresh button over here. Once everything is formatted properly, you can move on to importing your Microsoft Excel file. Go to the Office Timeline Online homepage, click on Import Data, and choose Import from Excel. Then browse to and select your Microsoft Excel file. Moving forward, to get the data, we must first select our desired worksheet from this dropdown, and then make sure that the proper table header is selected, since this is important for the next step. Mapping the columns. Office Timeline Online automatically maps the columns for you, but if you wish to change or unmap any of them, you can do so by clicking on any of these headers. The final step is to select which rows you want to see in your slide. You can use the checkboxes next to each row to select or deselect individual tasks and milestones. If you have a complex project with lots of rows, you can also use the filter option to sift through them. Let's say you only want to see tasks and milestones that end before a specific date. Set the field to end date, the condition to is less than, and the condition value as the deadline. Then hit apply. Now you only see the rows whose end dates come before our chosen deadline. You can use the checkbox in the top left corner to simultaneously select all the rows in this current view. To clear a filter, click on Clear Filters over here. Once you're done, click on Import. And there you go. Office Timeline Online has imported all the designated Excel data and generated a timeline that you can then edit and style to your heart's content. Also, remember the row ID column from the beginning of the video? If there are any changes in the Excel file, having that row ID column in your sheet allows you to update your visual quickly and easily by clicking the refresh button here. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.